What's going on today, guys? So today we are going to put back together the exhaust. I had that cat actually replaced where they just chopped off the ends and then replaced just the catalytic converter. I also had the other side done. I disassembled the other side, but I didn't fully show that. So we are going to get everything reassembled today, which is the most important part. So I need to take off the tires and gain access to this. It ended up being 2 clogged cats, so got the cats replaced and basically just need to get a couple things. Unfortunately, I did get new oxygen sensors, but I think one of them is defective, so we will take a look at that. But no matter what, we're gonna try to get everything resolved and get on our way. Perfect. Okay guys, so that took a little bit longer than I expected, but on the plus side, we have both manifolds off. The driver's side wasn't as bad. We had one bolt snap, but I already got brand new ones in. All the cats are refreshed and ready to go. So now all we have to do is install the hardware. Sorry that you guys are on the fly like that, but thankfully Dorman makes a kit that is just the replacements of the factory studs. So it's 03133, so pretty straightforward. The only thing different I'm going to do is add a little bit of anti-seize just in case I need to take it apart again, just on the base of the studs. So just a little bit right there, and then these are actually just going to walk in very nicely just like that, and it's going to let us get everything installed very nicely. And yeah, it's going to be hopefully this will all kind of cruise back together. I'm going to have to re-weld where we had to cut the pipes off, but beyond that it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Thankfully it's not that difficult, but I'm very glad these cast aluminum, or I'm sorry, cast manifolds I was able to find online for about 40 bucks. This truck's been a little bit of a pain to find parts for because it's a 4.3 truck and everything on these is either about the 4.8s, the 5.3s, or the 6.2s. But I started to have a lot more luck when I started looking it up as a van, and I did confirm that the GMT 900s, which are the 07 to 13s, the 4.3s in those use basically every part that is used on the Savannah vans, including the exhaust. The exhaust actually works between V8s and V6s, so that's actually really cool. But the manifolds, at least for the 4.3s, are the same as the Savannah vans. So if you end up kind of with a weird truck like I have, hopefully that helps you out there. It ended up being the driver's side cat wasn't too bad, but it was like one of those things where I didn't want cat code, so I had it refreshed anyways. But the passenger side had completely melted. And then the rear one didn't look too bad. It had some pitting and some burn marks in it, but nothing like horrible. But again, I wasn't going to take a chance. Plus, a bunch of the material from the passenger side had blown down into it, so there was like a lot of debris still in the pipe. So that took a while to get all that stuff out before taking it over there. So it was just a local place that reconditioned them, and they are good to go. So we've got all of the pieces in now, so we're going to get these remounted to the actual motor, and then we'll go underneath, reattach the cats, get the O2s hooked up, and then at the very end we'll weld around the cuts. That's going to be kind of an interesting spot, but beyond that, this project is pretty much getting to the point of being wrapped up. So we're going to pause there, and then you guys can see the install on these, and we can go from there. Okay, so we went ahead and got a couple things wrapped up that I need to get done off camera. We got the O2 sensors put in. I got the plugs put in the back. I also ran up to the store real quick and grabbed a new set of wires because I didn't like how those ones were turning out. So now we just need to get the liners in, and then yeah, we can fire this thing up. Okay, so now that we got everything wrapped up, we're gonna give it our first fire up here and hope for the best. So we adjusted a lot of things, so I wouldn't be surprised if we have to kill it and fix some things, but let's see. Yep, there we go. Okay, that's really not bad. That's really not bad at all. So I think I got some pinholes in where I welded, but overall I should say that's probably to be expected. The unfortunate thing is when I was pulling out the Y pipe, I kind of screwed up a little bit the front passenger oxygen sensor. So I do have a 4-pack of them with all of the oxygen sensors on their way. So hopefully that will help. But I should say that's the goal. That's what we're gonna try to correct. So hopefully that'll fix it. But overall, I would say tonight, I think we're in really good shape. So we're gonna leave it at that. So thanks for joining us, and I guess see you on the next one. But like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, catch you later.